Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe Smokin, Joe's Pit Barbecue. On today's video,
This isn't your channel.
that's right, this is not my channel. This is the Cooking Cop and Babes channel. On today's video, I'm going to be smoking up the world's smallest turkey. Stay tuned. You can see, look at this bark. It's crazy. Oh man, this is perfect. It helps to start with a nice sharp knife, okay? Oh my goodness. Look at that. All right, so before I get started on this world's smallest turkey, I do want to mention one thing. Josh will be out for a couple of months dealing with some health issues. Josh, we love you. We hope you make a speedy recovery. There's going to be a few of us taking over your channel while you're out. So focus on getting better and we'll take care of your YouTube channel. All right, so let's get started on this little guy right here. I'm going to name him Vegas. And the reason I'm naming him Vegas is because Josh and Babe recently got married in Vegas. And I just find the name fits this little guy right here. It's probably about 1.5 pounds. I mean, he fits in the palm of my hand. Look at this, okay? It's a real small turkey. So I'm just gonna trim him up a little bit. Trim up old Vegas, you know, trim some of the fat off a little bit. His neck, I'm gonna trim that down a little bit as well. Just like that. Let's see, that actually looks pretty good. All right, so I am gonna be injecting Vegas with some of this LC barbecue foul play, okay? I've got it mixed up right here in this mason jar, and I've already got my injector filled with the injection. So I'm just gonna get some in the breast here. See if we can plump him up. We want him nice and juicy. Get this leg. All right, so we're gonna get the wings as well. And we're also going to be injecting the thigh. Get nice and plump. All right, so that looks really good right there. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to hog tie Vegas here. Just got some butcher's twine. Just like that. We're also going to be folding the wings under the turkey, just like this, so it sits nice and straight in the smoker and the tips don't burn up on you. All right, that looks good right there. All right, so the rub that we're using today on Old Vegas is this Our Butts Are Smokin' Kick Butt Chicken. Just gonna hold it in my hand and go ahead and apply the rub evenly. Get the wings, the bottom of the legs, and the top, just like this. Tuck his wing back in there. All right, Vegas is ready for the smoker. We're gonna be smoking this in my Yoder Y640 pellet smoker, and it's already running at 250 degrees. Let's head outside. All right, so my Yoder Y640 pellet smoker is up to 250 degrees. Let's put old Vegas on there. Look at this tiny guy. So I'm just gonna put him right there in the center of the breast towards the exhaust stack. We'll be back in about 30 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, let's check on old Vegas. It's been 30 minutes. And look at him, that little guy. He's gotten about 30 minutes of smoke, again at 250 degrees. Now I can still see that it is not ready, obviously, but I am gonna get an internal temperature. We're sitting at 115 on the breast, and his little tiny leg is at 103, okay? So at this point, I'm gonna go ahead and crank up my smoker to 400 degrees and get that skin nice and crispy. We'll check back in about 30 minutes. Stay tuned. All right, so it's been 1 hour and 10 minutes, 40 minutes since I cranked the temperature up to 400 degrees. And I am gonna get an internal temperature here. Ooh, juicy. Man, he is ready, 164 degrees. Check the leg temperature on Old Vegas. Oh yeah, 176. And also the thigh, 179. All right, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna spritz it with, I can't believe it's not butter. I'll leave it in there for another 4 minutes or so. It's gonna get nice and golden brown, so we don't have to worry about the turkey drying up. Remember, we injected it, so it's got plenty of moisture internally. So I'm just gonna give this about 5 minutes, pull it off. We'll see you guys inside. All right, here's our turkey, Little Vegas, all smoked up and ready to go. Isn't he a beautiful little bird? Let's slice into him and see how we did. Stay tuned. All right, let's slice into Old Vegas and see how we did. Let's see if we get a juice-a-lunch like my buddy Ry likes to say. Oh yes, nice and juicy. Look at this. Let's give it a try. All right, let's give this little guy a try and see how we did. Here we go. I gotta tell you, that is super tasty, nice and moist. That injection really gives this turkey a good flavor. This kick butt chicken, I gotta tell you, it really kicked up this turkey a notch. If you guys are new to the Cooking Cop and Babes channel, hit that subscribe button and also give them a thumbs up for this video. Josh, we love you. Get well, buddy. Until next time, Joe with Smokin' Joe's Pit Barbecue. See ya.